cafe to cafe, coast to coast, the Kawasaki Z900RS Cafe does it all. Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it and we have made it to the west coast. Some say the best coast. This is right outside of Redwood National Park. Beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean, beautiful views of gigantic redwood trees. Let's go for a ride. Let's get some. It's a good road. Look at that Pacific Coast, baby. Let's go. West Coast. Pacific Ocean. We are heading in the redwoods, baby. It's a nice road, a little twisty, a little snaky. We got big redwoods left and right. I can't complain. It's a good morning. A little cold, but hey, I'm in another national park. I love it. Keep it in sixth. Watch this. Outside. Use all the lanes, baby. Use it. Clip it. Oh, clip it, baby. Woo! Use the lanes, baby. Come on out. Ah, I like it. We're using them all. Wide lane, double wide. Double wide lanes. Well, bump it. Ah. Clip it. Use the track. Ride it. Ride it, baby. Ride it. Ah. Oh, not bad. Thank you. Redwood Highway 101. Well, I officially put on my warm gloves and my warm vest. I turned on the vest, but I haven't turned on the gloves yet. I'll save that for later. It's important to keep extra layers of warmth or extra degrees of warmth so you don't lose hope. You don't want to ever turn on all your heat now while it's sunny. You gotta save it for when it's cold so it gives you something to motivate you. Alright, that's a good rule for your mental health while riding. Let's go. Yeesh. It almost makes you speechless looking how big these trees are. Oh, it's so cool. Squiggly RS. Squidward tentacles. This is a little surprising spot here. Look at the map there. Whoa, look at these connections coming up here. Connection 1. Woohoo! Connection 2. Yes. More of that. Connection 3 with the giant bus. Whoa, good road. Connection 4. Give me more. Wait, we're going for 5 and 6. 5, yes. Beautiful. 6. Me running. Oh, views, baby. The views. Caught me by surprise again. These redwoods. Thank you. Jeez, whoa, look at this one. This is so tight. Luckily this Subaru Outback, it's got good brakes. Wowzer. What a road. Itchy shoulders. I've got itchy shoulders.